Hi, I'm Hannah from Rotofast, and today I'm going to show you how to install an acoustical panel using the Rotofast Standard Anchor system. The first step in any panel installation is to measure and mark the location on the wall where you're going to be placing your panel. In this example, we've pre-measured and marked our locations, so we're going to continue with the installation. But make sure to mark the orientation so that it goes on the wall correctly at the end. The first step is to take painter's tape and place the spots on the face of your panel where you're going to be placing your anchors. Typically, they're placed 4 to 6 inches from each corner, but can vary depending on the size of your panel. The next step is to take the scratch awl included in your standard kit and poke holes through the face of the panel at the marked locations. It's important to keep the holes as straight as possible to allow for correct installation. And now, line your panel up with the marks that you've made on the wall. Taking your scratch awl, you'll poke through the face of the panel where you've previously made holes so that the scratch awl makes indentations on your substrate, in this case, drywall. And now, make pilot holes for your easy anchor. So I've hit 2 studs and need 2 easy anchors. Now it's time to install your anchors. Taking your 2-inch panhead screw, you're going to install it through the face of the anchor. It's important to make sure that the anchor spins freely on the shaft of the screw, but does not wobble. Once that is complete, flip the arm with the metal insert into the center of each anchor. It's time to install your panel. Taking the installation tool and making sure the orientation of your panel is correct, line the panel up with the marks you've previously made on the wall. Taking your installation tool, stick through the face of the panel, and you'll feel it engage with the center insert of the anchor. Turn counterclockwise so that the patented Rotofast spiral carves into the panel core material. As you can see, the Rotofast Standard Anchor allows for you to make adjustments so that your panels can be flush against the walls and uneven substrates. Once you've installed your acoustical panels, simply remove the painter's tape from the face of the panel, and using your installation tool, move the weave of the fabric to cover the holes from installation. And there you have it! You've installed an acoustical panel using the Rotofast Standard Anchor system. Thanks for watching!